Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. All right, folks, want to go over an options trade we just closed out for a 36% gain. I actually think there's a good chance it's going to go higher, but again, being an option holding into earnings today, which Whole Foods reports after the bell, is just too much risk. And again, I'd much rather take a consistent 35, 36, 40% gain going into earnings because remember, there's a premium built into the option because of earnings. So the stock must move tremendously to increase that value of those calls. And again, I've seen it before. I've seen, a stock literally be up on earnings and calls still will go down because again, there was a premium that's now out after the earnings announcement is had. So for me, it was the safe bet. Another winner in the options alerts, guys, Whole Foods. Why did I pick up calls on Whole Foods not too long ago? Very simple. See these pivot, right here, pivot, all across here, these little pivot tops, all across here, you had a gap fill right there as well. Put a trend line right in there, and you get this simple area right down here. So buying anywhere in this lower range was a smart move. And again, look at the run here the last couple days into earnings. And again, it's going to come into a little bit of resistance here. You have a trend line here as well, which makes me want to be a little bit more conservative. If you connect this high to this high, you have this high today as well. So these factors, again, tell me to just play it on the safe side. Doesn't mean it can't go up on earnings, but again, when you're a trader, when you're an investor, you have to analyze risk, and that's how we ultimately succeed in the market. If I, played huge risk plays every time, there's a good chance I'm going to get walloped. If I play it safe and be smart, and listen, nothing wrong with a 36% gain. It's a monster gain. But again, just playing it safe like that is the smart move in my opinion. And again, for instance, a good example would be I in the research center yesterday, I sold Twitter for a gain going into earnings. Well, look at what it did today. I'm glad I sold yesterday. I didn't want to take that risk. Could it have been up 20% on earnings? Sure, it could have. But you know what? Look at today, down 13%. So you have to analyze that risk factor and be smart about it. And that's exactly what we did here, folks. And it ultimately is paying dividends handsomely. So again, great job on Whole Foods, guys. And again, members here in the options alerts just catapulted themselves to another big gain. Here's our website. You want to see our track record? Take a look here, guys. Here's our home page. And again, all you're going to do is go here to Investor Trade Alerts, Research Center Options Alerts. Click on Options Alerts, and I'll zoom over to this side of the page. And then what you want to do is just on the bottom of that page is our track record. Look at this. With WFM added in there today, 2,720, almost 27% gain. That's amazing, folks, for the year. And that's including, this is third-party verified, including all our losses. You can see we had a 100% loss here because obviously options expire worthless. So, you can see them there. It's third-party verified. But, think about that. Third-party, no bullshit. Think about how many BS track records are out there. This is third-party verified. You see our losses right in front of you, and this is still what we're generating. Amazing returns. Come join the options alerts if you're into options alerts, folks. It's a no-brainer. Just on today's play alone, you probably would have made a year worth of subscription fees. An awesome, awesome play. All right, guys, enjoy, take care, and I will talk to you all soon. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com.